Alright, y'all, man. So if you're new to my channel, this is kind of my vlog channel where I give value every video. So if you're still watching up until this point, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you would like to continually get trading knowledge and entrepreneurship knowledge from me. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. But as you can tell by the title of the video, I don't even know what I'm gonna name it yet. But I just want to kind of give you some game and really the reason you suck at trading. You know what I'm saying? The reason you still suck at trading can be, well, I'm not even gonna say it's a lot of reasons, because honestly, it's about a handful. You know what I mean? And the game that I give you guys is just the game that I've learned over the years. All right, this year is gonna make 9 years of me trading. I've been trading full time 7 years. So going on 7 years this year full time, and I teach hundreds of people and I trade live for hundreds of people every single morning. So if you're interested in joining our Discord community, I have a Discord community in the description down below. We have like 600-700 people in the Discord right now, and it's continuously growing, and we're one of the most consistently profitable communities out here. So if you're still struggling to make money, if you're still struggling to be consistent as a day trader, you should definitely check us out, because we put our money where our mouth is. Okay, boom. So let's get into why you suck at trading. Now, honestly, I was one of those people that really sucked at trading in the beginning. You know, I'm not even gonna say I really sucked at it. That's a lie. I'm gonna say that's a lie. Now, I had some bad habits that would cause me to suck at trading, because I could easily make money in the beginning, but I really had bad habits of wanting to make more than I was making, right? I had a small account. I wanted to make more than I was making. I wasn't satisfied with the profits, and that in return caused me to, constantly lose money. I was waking up every morning taking good trades, but I would make the money, and then I would just continuously sit there and try to make more. You know what I'm saying? So basically what that means is, I was making money, but I wasn't disciplined enough to know to walk away. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't disciplined enough I didn't know when to get up, right? So I would constantly come back to my charts, even after a green day. That's the crazy part. Even after a green day, I would still, come back to the desk, try to make a little bit more. And every time I would come back to try to make a little bit more, that's where I would fail. That's where I would lose the profit, and then that's where I would go red, even after having a green day. So that wasn't the strategy, okay? Strategy, we're gonna get into strategy in a second here too, but that right there is just discipline, right? When you make your money, you gotta know how to walk away, okay? The market will always throw curveballs at you, all right? It's designed to throw curveballs. It's designed to look like it's going to do one thing and do the opposite. Okay, so once you kind of get into that phase of knowing that I don't want to trade all day, or I shouldn't trade all day, that's one step closer to being better at trading. I had to learn that the hard way. I didn't have anyone telling me how to do anything. Everything I know, I learned it the hard way. I put it to use. I had to eliminate bad habits and things like that. So I had to discipline myself in order to get good at this shit. So there is no success if you don't learn how to discipline yourself, or tell yourself when to walk away from, or when to just get up and go do something else. Like, that's super key. All right, that's super important. The reason you probably still suck at trading is because you don't know how to stop. All right. Now, on some real shit, some of the best money to be made is gonna be made by taking the trade and getting the fuck away. Don't walk away from your desk. Run the fuck away from your desk. You know what I'm saying? Like, mark my words when I tell you, you literally just sitting at a chart or watching charts all day is causing you to lose. I guarantee it. You know what I'm saying? I was that guy, so I know. Okay, boom. The next thing. Now, there's a lot of, I keep saying there's a lot, not really, right? It's like a handful of things that most people do on a daily basis, consistent basis, which causes them to, constantly lose money in trading. But the first one is big. That's discipline. That's knowing when to walk away after you make your money. And this leads to the next one, which is having a profitable strategy, a profitable system. There are so many strategies out here, and yet, of course, you can make money with most of them. Doesn't mean that it's a profitable strategy over the long run, right? For an example, a bull flag. I can make money on a bull flag, but you don't want to just strictly base your trades off of a bull flag. You get what I'm saying? Yes, you can make money from it, but how profitable is it over the long term, right? So having a profitable system or strategy is going to be extremely key next to discipline, okay? Because if you don't have a profitable strategy, how the fuck are you going to be profitable? Somebody answer that for me in the back. Somebody. How the fuck are you going to be profitable if you don't have a profitable trading system? Okay? It's impossible. You need a profitable strategy. You need a profitable system. Alright? I have a system. Okay? When I'm trading, I don't have to think too much. If the system tells me to get in, I get in. If the system says no trade right now, no trade. And that right there is some of the best type of trading there is, because I don't have to think. I don't have to guess on what I think is going to happen, right? The system should be, data over, I'm not going to say back tested, but it should be data analyzed over, months and months and years of the success rate of that system, right? I don't have to think about it. If I see the setup, I'm going to get in, right? Today we took 2 trades. First trade was like a quick loser, but then our second trade was a big winner, and we're done. You know what I mean? And that's all trading is. You just gotta, once you develop that system, that game plan, now all you have to do is wait for the system to say, okay, this is a setup. Boom, let me trade the setup, right? The system is gonna give you good risk to reward, so I'm not gonna say risk to reward is a reason you're losing, because the system should already give you good risk to reward. You get what I'm saying? The system is designed to keep you profitable. Stop loss, target. The system, the strategy, when I'm saying system is nothing but a strategy that, tells you go or no. Alright? So, boom, that's important. Find you a system. If you're a swing trader, day trader, find a system in whichever one of those lanes you prefer to trade. Find a system, stick to that system. If you don't have one, come trade with me. Take my course, sign up for the one-on-one training, and I can teach you systems that are profitable. Okay? Boom. So we covered discipline, which is the most important, because if you're not disciplined, you lack discipline, you will never win. Alright, we got strategy, system. With no profitable strategy, there's no profitability. There's no money making if you don't got a money making strategy. You might make some money, but if the system isn't profitable, you're going to eventually just continue to lose money over the long period of time. You might think you're making money. For an example, you make $20 today, $20 tomorrow, $100 today, $100 tomorrow, and then, that third, fourth day you lose $500, you lose another $500. The day after that you make another $100. That's not a profitable system. I hate to say it, it's not a profitable system, okay? And that's definitely 100% not a profitable system. All right, get a profitable system, profitable strategy, and that's going to be another reason or another way to, give you a foot forward in trading. All right, so now we covered 2 big things. Our next reason I have is, man, you just greedy as fuck. The reason you suck at trading is because you are greedy as fuck. Like, you greedy as fuck. That's another reason you suck at trading, bro. And I'm just keeping it real. I'm gonna keep it raw. I'm gonna keep it real. I'm gonna tell you the real. You're greedy as fuck. And I can say that because I was greedy as fuck. I wasn't satisfied with what I was making, so it caused me to overtrade. Right? Greed will fucking kill you in this market. Market will black your eye, knock your teeth out, motherfucking give you a couple headaches. You feel what I'm saying? The market is designed to fuck you up, and he gonna fuck you up, and you gonna be like, nah, I can't let this nigga do me like this. I can't let this nigga do me like this. So what you gonna do? You gonna go back in. I'm like, fuck it, I'm gonna go back in. Then he gonna break your arm, he gonna break your leg. Now you can't do shit. And once you can't do shit, the market don't beat you. It's over with. The market got you. The market did it. You did exactly what the market wanted you to do. Now, one thing you gotta understand is the market is designed to fuck you up. I've been trading going on 9 years, and I still will run from the market as if I'm a beginner. What do I mean by that? If I make a couple $100, or I make my money in general, I'm like, I'm getting out of here. I'm done. I'm running away, because I know I've been trading a long time, and I know what the market does to people, bro. You get that little adrenaline rush of making some money. Now you think you can just keep doing it the rest of the day. You know what I'm saying? Like, no, make your money and run, bro. Stop being greedy. Think of it this way: if you gotta take base hits to grow your money, to grow your capital, do that. Because if you buy a stock, for an example, those stocks are gonna slightly go up, you know, month after month after month, right? When you options trading, or if you're futures trading, then you got the opportunity to make, you know, good money in a couple of minutes if you do it right. You feel what I'm saying? So take those base hits. Take the base hits. Stop fucking trying to make, because you see people making $500, $1,000, $2,000, $5,000. Stop trying to be like those people. Before I became profitable, that little run I had before I got profitable, I was making $25 to $50 a day. Okay, end of the month, that's gonna add up and pay a bill. All right. Once you get your hand on more capital, now you can up your size to be able to make $100 a day, $200 a day. It's that simple. But you want to build the consistency. You have to build consistency first.